all my classmates and all my brother. And my name is Yanga, and I'm studying first year student at Faculty of Buddhism and Philosophy. And today's topic is very nice, and I would like to share the idea. According to the Buddhism, the main point is and Sila, Samadhi, and Panya is the main piece according to the piece in Buddhism. And to have the Sila, why is Sila the five precepts for the all the living beings to observe this one, not to kill others, not to steal someone. This is Sila. It is the main point, the main point for the peace in Buddhism. All of you are now and need peace, and this one in Buddha, all of you are not need to kill others. It's no need to steal someone and this contact and doing wrong in morality. This is the samadhi mean what? In taking meditation. Taking meditation is the best for our mind to create our mind inside. And in here in Mahachalalongkorn, they have and taking meditation in 1 year for 10 days. This for 10 days. This was for what? For peace. And here in MCU, this is a peace. Look, all of you are in peace. Why? You have to take meditation. And meditation is the one to peace in our mind, inside mind. Morality is, we can see the outer. And we have the inner and outer. Inner means like you calm your mind, and this is peace, which is based on your mind. And Panya means your knowledge. All of you are, when you take meditation, all of you get knowledge immediately by the Panya. Right? And this one to have the Sila, Samadhi, Panya, based on this one, and how you live in the society, and put kinds of in skill mind. What is in positive thought? That is what is loving kindness, compassion, joy, and ubeka. It's like equal. Ubeka is equal. It's balance. And when you take like a Sila, if you don't have loving kindness in your mind, you can kill others easily. Now you know it is a world crisis, and they have they kill someone, and they have there, here and there they fight each other. Why? For what? They don't have loving kindness, and they don't have compassion, right? And also all of you now, you have the iPhone, or if you don't have like a joy other, you would like to say that this one like a jealousy or envy. This are kinds of things you don't have joy other, mudita. This is a Buddhist way for all of us to have. This is the base of mind. And jealousy and envy, this is a negative thought. If you have positive thought, you can be peace in your mind. No need, peace does not mean that you have to say, I peace. If this peace is not come from your mind, no, how is possible? It's impossible. So, and this one, and for the justice. Justice means like the why. Why the why is based on the peace. The father of peace is unjustice or justice. If you have justice, right, all of you are peace. It means that I am 100, you are 100. No, this justice. And that is why all of us, or all of living beings, now we need peace. And according to the Buddhism, and 4 states or 3 states. The great state is Sila, Samadhi, Panya. Based on this one, for all of you, for all of us, to have is Metta, Karuna, Mudita, Ubeka. And if you have this one for unwholesome mind and Loha, Dosa, Moha, greed, hatred, and delusion, you can reduce it. And if you reduce this one, all of your peace, you don't need to go and tell others, I peace, this one. No, all of you are create in your mind, and this Sila, Samadhi, Panya, and Metta, Karuna, Mudita, Ubeka, this one, based on this one, you can reduce Loha and Dosa, Moha. And thank you very much.